So this is a pandemi dough ball. It's a little sticky, but what you're going to do is you're going to take it out, and I've sprayed some oil onto the surface, and I'm going to spray a little bit of additional oil on top. And what you really want to do is press out all of the air that you can. If you don't press out all of the air, you're going to get something called a mouse, which is a bubble in the bread, and they generate right by the surface, and it just makes for a really unattractive slice. So you want to get all of that out and just squeeze and squeeze and squeeze and squeeze and squeeze until you get it out. So it's going to be flat like this. To help develop the gluten a little bit more, we're going to do what's called a letterfold. So you just take the dough and you fold a third over here. There's a little speck. Take that out. And then like that. Then you turn it. You need to repeat the same thing. And you can already feel the gluten forming pretty well. Once you've done this, you're going to get sort of a bottom seam here. It doesn't have to be pretty because it's going to expand in the pan. But you take your pan that has already been sprayed down with canola oil, and I'm squeezing the dough seam side down so it stretches as much as possible into the corners. Now it's going to expand on its own, but you kind of want to give it a little bit of a head start so it doesn't all bunch up in the middle. So that's good enough. And again, if you feel any air in there, just squeeze it until the air comes out. And it's going to go ahead and rise. We put the lid on almost all the way, just almost all the way, and just leave it a little bit open so you can keep track of it. And it doesn't hurt to put a little bit of plastic wrap on that as well, just to keep it from drying out. Good.